Oticon is excited to welcome you to the next generation of brain-hearing technology powered by the new Inium Sense platform. Hi, I'm Sheena Oliver, Vice President of Marketing here at Oticon, and I am thrilled to be able to share with you some details about how our new Inium Sense platform will help your patients get more of what they need from their hearing devices. The new Inium Sense platform brings 30% more processing power, delivering improved real-time processing, improved feedback management, and up to 20% improvement in soft speech understanding, and a fully integrated tinnitus solution, available in all performance levels and all styles. Now, you've heard me mention brain-hearing technology, but what is that exactly? One of the things we know about individuals with hearing loss is that they perceive sounds differently. And unfortunately, many hearing devices are not able to account for these individual variations in perception. But why is that? It's because hearing is a cognitive process. It happens here. And our goal is to deliver better hearing with less effort by supporting how the brain makes sense of sound. That's what brain hearing technology is all about, giving your patients exactly what their brains need to hear properly, with customized solutions to match the unique hearing profile of each of your patients. You know, patients notice this gap in their ability to follow conversation. As a matter of fact, the number one reason why new users are even motivated to visit a hearing care professional is because they struggle communicating in difficult listening situations. That's why we believe that hearing care is healthcare. When people can't follow conversation due to a hearing loss, it can leave them feeling isolated and depressed. But by giving your patients access to the latest Oticon solutions, you're in a position to not only improve their hearing, but also their overall health, and that's great. Using Oticon's unique personalization process, we're able to assess, for instance, the patient's soft sound perception, so that in noisy and challenging environments, your patients are getting an extra boost in soft gain when they really need it, which is about 75% of the time. And this is where the additional processing power we've built into the Inium Sense platform really shines. It starts with Soft Speech Booster that works in conjunction with our new proprietary Rationale Voice Aligned Compression Plus, so that your patients can take full advantage of their hearing capabilities. But what about feedback? One of the strengths of our hearing care solutions has always been striking that right balance between audibility and managing feedback. And now, thanks to the additional processing power, we've been able to rebuild our feedback system to detect feedback faster, remove it faster, but at the same time, not jeopardize sound quality, performance, and audibility. In fact, our new Inium Sense Feedback Shield is a good example of how all the new features on the Inium Sense platform have been designed to work together. At Oticon, putting people first means helping patients hear sound more naturally. Everything starts with the brain. Tinnitus, for instance, is often associated with hearing loss, and is primarily the brain's reaction to the loss of normal input from the ear. Our fully integrated tinnitus sound support solutions build on our brain hearing approach, available in Alta 2 Pro TI, Nera 2 Pro TI, and Ria 2 Pro TI. In addition to traditional broadband sounds, the hearing care professional and patient can select from 3 ocean sounds, and these sounds are unique and soothing. They have clinically been shown to reduce the annoyance of tinnitus. Even with all of this, the fitting process is still simple and intuitive, but we've included a new shape to audiogram feature to make it more efficient. Couple that with our patient education and counseling support materials, as well as our robust marketing support, and you'll find that the new Inium Sense platform, driven by brain hearing technology, gives your patients exactly what they need to hear, in all styles and all performance levels, achieving 96% patient satisfaction in both new and experienced hearing device users. Are you ready to join the revolution? Click on the links below to learn more about how the new Inium Sense platform can help you grow your business by helping your patients have a more natural listening experience with less effort. See the difference, hear the difference, and learn how brain hearing technology can make all the difference for you and your patients. Now, once you've fully explored the Inium Sense website, we encourage you to contact us directly to place an order through My Oticon or call us at this number so that your patients can be part of the new Sense revolution in hearing. Don't forget to check your inbox and follow us on social media for the latest product news on the Inium Sense platform, driven by brain hearing technology. Thanks again for taking the time to learn about the InniumSense platform driven by brain hearing technology designed by Oticon.